How do you find working with the elderly? How is that for you?
For me, I just realized that when I'm still strong, make yourself happy, because at the end of the day, the age counting and counting.
So you remember that every day?
Yes, and make myself happy, enjoy life because it's short.
Like me. Are you happy?
Yes.
You're happy now?
Yes, totally.
What things make you happy, Mark?
One thing is like if you overcome that struggle that you have before, it's like you're being strong more and more.
Do you have a girlfriend here, friends here?
Yes, I do have plenty. What do you mean specific girlfriend? Friends, yes, plenty of
Friends?
Yes.
And a girlfriend?
Girls, friends, maybe, yes.
Not girls' friends, no, bro. You're cheating. Lady friends for romance.
No.
No?
Mm-hmm.
What about back home? You have...
To be honest, I want to go back home. It's almost 4 years, almost going. I didn't go home yet.
What's your family like back home? Do you have family back home?
Yes, I have 4 children.
Oh, shit.
That's why I need to work more or have more. To be honest, when I go here in Malta, the thing is that I want to expand my business. That's what I'm planning before.
You want to expand your business. But first, let's talk about the kids a bit. So back home, before you left, you left 4 kids.
Mm-hmm.
And you're meant to be sending money back to these kids.
Yes.
Right. So not only do you owe all this money, you have to feed growing children.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay.
That's why I need the more opportunities, more, source of income.
How old are the kids?
I have 11, 9, 6, and 3.